Now let's talk about CDN. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. It's like a network of mini storage center for your website's content spread across the globe. Instead of keeping all your website data in one place, our CDN store copies of it on multiple servers around the world. When someone visits your site, they get the content from the server closer to them. Think of it like grocery shopping. If there's only one big grocery store in the city, people far away will have to travel a long distance, which takes time. But if there are many smaller stores in each neighborhood, customers get what they need much faster. CDNs do the same for the website. They put your content closer to the people who need it. Latency is the time it takes for data to travel from the server to the user device. Without a CDN, data might have to travel halfway around the world. But with the CDN, the server closest to the user response, making the journey much shorter, which means faster loading times and a better browser experience. Because CDN have servers all over the world, your site loads quickly no matter where your visitors are. They also help manage heavy traffic loads without crashing your site. In today's fast-paced internet, a CDN is almost a must-have for delivering content efficiently and keeping users happy.